Hi, my name is Trevor Tim. I say Murray from the Curry. I was born in Cloncurry, Queensland. On my father's side, Waanyi, Gangalidda. On my mother's side, who's with me in spirit, Gangalidda and Erub. Sailor Pit Mob. I reside here in Cairns for 40 odd years. Happily married to beautiful wife Jackie. 4 kids, 3 grandchildren, 1 on the way. Living life to the fullest and got a desire to inspire love and life. I received the kits over the years. I'm 56. Didn't really act on it, and as we're getting older, just got to work smarter, not harder. I decided it's about time I look after my bod. And when bowel cancer is detected, almost all bowel cancer are treatable. So very important for you to do the test. Yeah, it's a simple process when doing the testing. It's hygienic. And before you know it, it's over and done with, and you're on your way. So very important to do the testing every 2 years. They've got to have a Medicare card. If you need direction, you can talk to a health worker, and they'll provide you with that information. Well, I'm talking about our brothers out there need to be a warrior of the 21st century. So lead by your actions, and by you doing the test and looking after yourself. Your younger brothers, sons, and younger cousins, uncles, what have you, can see what you're doing and act on that, so you then become a true leader. I think it's very important that our people, our mob, do the test. We're talking about leading the way for our people. We need to close the gap, and we need our mob to be living longer. We can encourage family, mob, to do the test because the fact that you've done it, and success breeds success. So we need to pass that on to our mob. We're into yarnings, aren't we? We yarn in circles. So put that in the conversation, and that way together, high tide rises all ships. We can succeed together, helping our mob conquer this disease.